What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to purchase the HODL coin on Trust Wallet. Okay, so before you purchase any coin, as I usually say in my videos, the very first thing you need to do is come over to coinmarketcap.com. Right, so once you are here, this is where you can actually get more information about the coin you want to purchase. So in this case, it is the HODL coin. So just type in here HODL, then click on it. Okay, so as you can see over here, this is where you have all the information about the coin. You can actually read more info about it. You can see the trading volume, as you can see, this is a list of markets where you can actually purchase the coin. Okay, so as you can see, it is available on PancakeSwap. So that's what we'll be actually using in this video. So once you've read more information that you need to be sure you want to purchase this coin, then go ahead and copy your contract address over here. This copy icon that you see beside the so just click that icon. Okay, that's all, because that's what you be using enter that's what we call the contract address, and that's what we use things like locate the coin on Trust Wallet. So once you've copied the contract address, the next thing is to open your Trust Wallet. So in case you don't have Trust Wallet, make sure you go and download the app, sign up if you're on PC, or just make sure you sign up for Trust Wallet, then come over here to the browser section. Okay, you can see this URL over here, this exchange.pancakeswap.finance/**/swap. So that's what you need to click on. Okay, so once you are here, make sure you set this icon at the top to smart chain. Set it to smart chain. Okay, then in here you need to choose, as you can see over here, the coin you can actually use to purchase HODL coin is, let's check, is your BNB. So you can actually use your BNB to purchase the HODL coin. So now what you need to do is to first go ahead and as you can see, you have this place set to smart chain. Then come back over here, you see you have BNB. So as you can see over here, we don't have any money in any balance in our BNB wallet. So in case you already have some balance in your Trust Wallet, you can go ahead and purchase it directly. But in case you don't have any balance, okay, so in case you already have a balance, what you need to do is just click on select the currency. Then in here you need to paste in the address we copied earlier, right? Then click on import over here. You can see, click on import, then click on I understand, then click import. Okay, and that way you can enter the amount in BNB of HODL coin you want to purchase. So let's take for example 0.02, right? Then as you can see over here, this is where you can see the total number of HODL coin that you will receive. Okay, but now let's take for example you don't have any BNB balance in your Trust Wallet, right? So what you need to do is to actually go ahead and sign up for Binance. Okay, so Binance is a platform that allows you to purchase BNB and now send it into your Trust Wallet. So let me just log in into my account. So what you need to do is to first deposit some money into your Binance account. So for those who don't have a Binance account, I have a link for you in the description. If you use the link, you're going to be receiving 5% off your transaction fee on Binance. Okay, so now just click on deposit over here, click on cash, then just enter the currency you spend in your country. Let's say for example you're in the United States, that will be USDT, right? Sorry, USD. Then go ahead and deposit some USD into your account. Okay, so go ahead and deposit some USD. So after doing that, you can now come over to the market section over here, right? Then enter spot, go to sports, then enter BNB / whichever currency you spend in your country. So in this case, let's just try USD as an example, right? So let's say for example you're in Australia, that would be AUD. Okay, so that's how to. So let's say you are in let's say India. So I think India is IDRC, Indian rupees. So that's what you need to do. Just go ahead and deposit some money. After you've deposited some money, come over to the wallet section over here, right? So after you invested some money, you need to come over here and purchase the BNB. Also purchase the BNB. Now you need to come back to your wallet to transfer the BNB into your Trust wallet. Okay, so come over here to BNB. Okay, click on withdraw. So now you need to go get your address from your Trust wallet. So come over here. Let me just close this, right? Yeah, so once you are here, click this BNB over here, copy your address. Now come back to Binance, paste in your address here, select the network, right? So this is where you need to enter the amount of BNB that you want to send. So let's say for example 0.02, right? So but as you can see over here, I don't have enough balance. Okay, so let's say for example you've deposited some money and you've purchased some BNB, then you should be able to like withdraw over here. Okay, so just click on withdraw. So once you've clicked on withdraw and you've actually withdraw some BNB to your Trust wallet, you can now go back to the browser section and follow the process I showed you earlier. Okay, so in here, set this one to smart chain. This place, enter BNB. Enter the amount of BNB that you want to use to purchase HODL coin. Let's say for example 0.02, right? So here you need to select the currency. So let's take, so since we've imported the coin before, we don't need to like paste in the address again. So let's just enter the name HODL, right? You should see it over here because I've added it earlier. So this is, then you just click on buy over here. So let's say for example I have enough balance in my Trust wallet. I should be able to like purchase the coin by clicking the buy button over here. But because I don't have enough balance, that's why I'm unable to purchase the coin. Okay, so and in case, so because sometimes there's probability that you face an issue while trying to like purchase the coin. You need to adjust your slippage tolerance, right? So you need to come over here to this icon. You can see this icon over there. Then just increase it to maybe like something like 15. Okay, try it to 15, then try 14. So just try it. In case it doesn't work, then you need to adjust this slippage tolerance. So once you've done that, go ahead and buy it and it will be purchased into your account. So thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. And if you like, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.